Turkey is on the brink of completing one of its most ambitious projects yet, a massive military headquarters complex set to be fully operational by 2028. This colossal endeavour, known as the Ay Yildiz Joint Command Headquarters Project, is situated on a sprawling 12.6 million square metres of land in the Etimesgut district of Ankara. Named after the crescent and star emblematic of the Turkish flag, this project aims to unify the headquarters of the Defence Ministry and all branches of the Turkish Armed Forces into one cohesive campus. Defence Minister Yasar Güler has laid out an ambitious timeline. The first phase, which includes structural work, is expected to wrap up by August 2025. Following that, the interior finishing works will kick off, with the goal of completing the entire project by early 2028. This means, by the same year, all the command centres and ministry offices scattered across Ankara will be relocated to this new complex. So what makes this complex so special? For starters, it'll serve approximately 15,000 personnel. The centrepiece is a crescent-shaped structure featuring 5 conference halls of varying capacities, all surrounding a massive 23,000 square metre ceremonial plaza. At the heart of this plaza will stand a star-shaped reception and exhibition building, a true architectural marvel. But it's not just about size and capacity. Advanced construction technologies are being utilized to make the complex resilient against ballistic threats, cyber vulnerabilities, and even chemical, biological, radiological, and nuclear risks. Local media has even suggested that upon completion, this campus will surpass the scale of the US Pentagon. President Recep Tayyip Erdogan inaugurated the project on August 30, 2021, coinciding with the anniversary of the Great Offensive victory in Turkey's War of Independence. This project isn't just a military hub, it's a symbol of national pride and technological advancement. Stay tuned, because this is one development you won't want to miss.
Join Intel Prime channel membership today and get access to exclusive benefits, including early access to new videos, exclusive discounts on Intel products, behind-the-scenes content, live chat with me and other members. Other options will be soon available. Thank you for your support and for helping Intel Prime grow.